in terms of how they determine the matter based on the similarity of previous couples that have been through family court. Whereas in mediation, you can make concessions and customize your own resolution on your terms from A to Z. So you can do that on your own through the facilitation of a mediator, that essentially all that mediator does is help you have a conversation. In more acrimonious situations, we separate the parties, what we call shuttle mediation. When we think that they're able to bridge some of the gap and they've made some progress, we bring them together. Other times, couples are, while they may be in a state of disagreement, we're able to start off right together speaking. Before bringing people into mediation, we do what's called a screening process. So we screen for power imbalances, issues that may preclude or prevent a successful mediation. We don't want someone potentially agreeing on terms where they fear the other party, especially in family law matters where the conflicts can be emotionally charged, per se. So we want to make sure that if they do come to agreement, that it's on their own volition, not anything else. So there is a screening process that goes through the mediation process. We help them with everything in terms of asset valuations, liabilities, determining what the net family property value for each property is. We are familiar with the term net worth. In family law, it's called net family property, NFP. That NFP is determined for each spouse. The spouse with the larger or greater NFP has to give half the increment back to the spouse. So if one spouse has a net family property of 500,000, the other one has a net family property of 1 million, the one with a million gives half of that, 250,000, to the spouse with lower value, and now they're both worth the same amount. That's equalized. That's what equalization is in Ontario. That's how it works in a nutshell. I'm giving a simple overview. It can get more complicated, but that's in a nutshell how it works according to the rules.
Absolutely. And what a great thing, an important service to offer. Because it's been my experience that anytime you go to court, everybody loses. And
Yeah.
in that, there's an emotional toll that's taken. Even if you are, the party that is correct, like you said, case law can take precedence. There's many things that seem unfair that happen in courtrooms, even when you are, the just or the right party, and it makes sense.